Hello everybody, I am Dr. Mommy and this is Mickey Toothpaste and Hello Kitty Toothbrush, and she is my beautiful daughter, Kiko Faith. Yee! Now she will make toothbrushing with it. Okay, first Kiko. First muna. How do you brush your teeth? Kiko first. Shush. Sa loob.
Mami.
Si Mami naman. Okay, open your mouth. Very good naman. Uy, very good. Open your mouth. Yay! Sabi doctor, open your mouth daw, no? Uy, very good. Uy, very good naman, baby. E. Say E. Very good. Tunog pa yan. Sabi doctor, every day 2 times to 3 times. Okay. Toothbrush ng mouth. Ne? Okay? Okay. Okay, move na. Say bye-bye muna.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye everybody. Love you. Love you. Okay. Cut.